Assalamualaikum. In this video tutorial, we are going to take the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. We will learn which numbers are divisible by 2, which numbers are divisible by 5 and which numbers are divisible by 10. So let's begin. First of all, before starting, you should know some basic things. Let me write. Every digit in the system of numbers that we are using is made from either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Out of these numbers, numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, if these numbers will be the ending number, ending digit of any number, then we declare the number as even number. And if 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are the ending digit of any number, then that number will be an odd number. For example, I can say 40 is an even number while 39 is an odd number because it is having the last digit 9. So if the ending digit is from any one of these digits, or if it is a single digit number, then any one of the digits from this, then we will say it's an odd number. And if the ending digit is from these one, we will declare the number as even number. Alright, so remember, all even numbers are divisible by 2. It means if the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then it is divisible by 2. And if the last digit is from these numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then it is not divisible by 2. So I can say divisible by 2 if this number or this digit is the last digit of the number, then it is divisible by 2. The number will be divisible by 2. And if the ending digit is one of them, so it will be not divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility test for 2. Now the divisibility test for 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. It means if the last digit is 0, the number will be divisible by 2 also and by 5 also. And if the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. It means we can say a number divisible by 10 will be divisible by 5 and 0 also. If we have to look for all, means sometimes it is asked that the number should be divisible by 2, 5 and 10 at the same time, then the condition is last digit must be 0. If the number is divisible by 5 only, then the last digit can be any one of them. So let's see in the exercise and then accordingly we will understand that. So here is the page number 47 of the activity book. You can see right now. The question is circle the numbers that are divisible by 2. It means we will circle the numbers which are even numbers only, or whose ending digit is one of them, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this number is having the ending digit 4. So it means I can circle this one. This is divisible by 2. This digit is having the last digit 9, so it's not divisible by 2. So I will say this is not divisible by 2, this is also not divisible by 2, this is also not divisible by 2, but this is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 6, so I will say it is divisible by 2. So this is also not divisible by 2. And the next one is circle the numbers that are divisible by 5. We have to choose the one divisible by 5. Okay, for divisible by 5, it should have 0 or 5 at the end. So this is not divisible by 5. This is because it has 0 at the end. This is not, this is not, this is not, but this is because it has 5 at the end. Okay. Now next is circle the numbers that are divisible by both 5 and 10. It means we have to go for both 5 and 10. So the condition for both 5 and 10 is the last digit 0. So it means this is divisible by 5 only but not by 10. So I will not circle that. This will not be, this will be. Because we have to circle the one which is divisible by both. And the condition for the divisibility for both 5 and 10 is the last digit should be 0. Alright, so this is not, this is only by 5 but not by 10, so we cannot. And this one we will, because it is divisible by both. And then the next question is circle the number that are divisible by 2, 5 and 10, means by all of them. So if you have to look the condition for all of them by 2, 5 and 10, you will look, if the last digit is 0, it will be divisible by all 3. Like this one is divisible by all 3, it is divisible by 2, by 5 and by 10. This is only divisible by 2, it's not divisible by 5 or 10, so we will not circle this one. This is because it has a 0 at the last digit, so it is divisible by all 2, 5 and 10. This one is not, this one is, but this one is only divisible by 5, it is not divisible by 2 or 10, but we have to circle the number which will be divisible by all.